Close your eyes and listen to this sound. That crisp, mechanical click. For a certain breed of photographer, that sound is more than just a shutter, it's a heartbeat. It's the sound of a moment being frozen in time. In an era where every smartphone can take a clean photo, and every mirrorless camera can be clean as soulless plastic box filled with AI, there is one line of cameras that has always refused to follow the rules. It's the Rangefinder, the Rebel, the camera that forces you to slow down, look through glass, and actually feel the light. For 5 long years, the community has been waiting in a frustrating, agonizing silence. We watched the X-T5, the X-H2, and the X-106 take a spotlight. But today, the wait is officially over. This is the Fujifilm X-Pro4, and as the most approved camera Fujifilm has released in a decade. If you are watching this, you are looking for a spec sheet. You can find those anywhere. You are here because you want to know if Fujifilm has kept the soul of the X-Pro alive, or if they turned it into just another spec-bunt gadget. You want to know if they fixed the controversial lens screen of the X-Pro3, or if they doubled down on the pierced lie. In this video, we are going deeper than any review you've seen. We're going to talk about the new 40 megapixel X-Trans 5 sensor, the revolutionary triple-mode hybrid viewfinder, the first ever inclusion of IBIS in an X-Pro body, and the secret red color science integration that no one saw coming. This is the definitive deep dive into the X-Pro4. By the end of this, you won't just know if you should buy this camera. You'll know if this is the last camera you'll ever need to own. Let's start with the elephant in the room. The design. When the X-Pro3 launched, it divided the photography world like a lightning bolt. That hidden LCD screen was either a stroke of genius or a massive mistake, depending on who you asked. For the X-Pro4, Fujifilm has choice. Play it safe or keep the edge. They chose the edge. They did it with intelligence. The X-Pro4 features a refined, dual-axis cell screen. It looks like a close back, mimicking a phone camera, but now flicks out with a more robust, 180-degree articulation that makes it usable for high and low-angle shots without feeling like it's going to snap off. It's the perfect compromise. It rewards the purist who wants to stay in the moment, but it respects the professional who needs to nail a difficult competition. The body itself, the masterpiece of materials. We are looking at a Duratitanium 2.0 chassis. It's lighter than the Pro 3 but twice as scratch-resistant. In USA, where street photographers are often out in the grid of New York City or the heat of Los Angeles, this kind of ruggedness is no luxury. It camera feels like a tool. It feels like something you can pass down to your kids. It doesn't screen technology. It screens heritage. Now let's talk about the vision. The Hybrid Viewfinder is the new reason the camera exists. It takes away the OVF assists a weirdly shaped X-T5. For the Mark IV, Fujifilm has pushed the OVF-EVF transition to its absolute limit. The new electronic viewfinder is a 5.76 million OLED panel with a refresh rate so high that the human eye can't detect the lag. But the magic happens in the optical mode. Fujifilm has added an augmented reality overlay to the glass. You can now